as promised, I'm here with my ultra moisturizing face pack. So for all those who have dry skin, dry hair and are looking for moisturizing, this is the thing for you guys. You must try it. But of course, before trying any pack, please do a patch test. I always suggest that to everybody. Do a slight patch test in your inner elbow of the combination you've created. See if it's suiting you. Even though these are 100% natural homemade remedies made by you in your kitchen, it's always a good idea to see what suits your skin and what not. 99.9% these do not cause any problems, but it's just good to be safe. So I've used something very simple and things which are easily available. So banana is easily available, and of course bananas are also going overripe very fast nowadays because it's so hot, and sometimes we just pick up a little extra because we feel that we need to keep it, we need the fruits, maybe we get it, we don't get it, and it kind of becomes overripe very fast. But don't throw away overripe bananas. You cannot even imagine the health benefits whether you eat it or you use it as a pack. So here we're going to use it as a face pack and a hair pack, which is going to give us amazing results, especially for dry skin, and super hydrate your skin and hair. So these are 2 bananas which I have put in the blender, and these 2 bananas are overripe. And with that, if you can see, this is arbi, is boiled arbi, which I have put in it, and both are extremely iron rich, extremely rich in vitamins and minerals. So I think it's like superb nourishment naturally going into our system as well as for our skin and hair. And we're simply going to blend it. It's a very simple recipe. Wow, it looks like an amazing paste now. So smooth. Well, super smooth, already great for our skin and hair. Something super smooth and something which is going to be so moisturizing. And I'm gonna take almost 70% for my hair and 30% for my face. So we have the blended combination here, and what I'm going to do is simply add my favorite aloe vera gel. So I love this aloe vera gel. This is our own gel, and you can use your own aloe vera. If you have a plant at home, you can use that. If you have any other aloe vera at home, you can use it. So just about 2 teaspoons in both of them is what I have added. Now for the hair, I'm going to simply use some oil. So we're going to use this is about 2 teaspoons of coconut oil which I have added. So this can be directly used for dry hair. You don't need to pre-oil your hair and then create this mix. And as you keep mixing, you'll realize that this pack will keep getting a little darker. Of course, that's because of the oxidation, and the iron in the banana and the arbi will just keep making it more and more brown. So that's great. It's naturally rich in iron, so you don't really need an iron pot like we had done for the previous recipe in this one. And we are not even boiling anything. And when it comes to the skin pack, so if you are also having a little oily skin, and if you feel that right now it's summertime, I sweat a lot, and if I use something very moisturizing, what if my skin becomes like extremely oily? So I have used something to balance the pH, which is your vitamin C. So these are 2 wedges of orange which I have simply mashed, and I have removed the skin and the seeds. So this is like simply mashed orange, and I'm going to add it here to the face pack. And with that, I'm going to also add besan, which I feel is fabulous for keeping the balance, the pH balance, as well as it's like a tightening, natural tightening mask. And we're going to beat this up nicely. Till it becomes a nice thick batter and something which is going to stay on your skin. You can make it thicker, you can put more besan in it if you want, and you can also put atta in it if besan doesn't suit you, or any other thickener which suits your skin type. So that's your face mask, which is ready. And this is exactly what I used yesterday, exactly the same thing. And this is our hair mask, which looks like an amazing protein pack for the hair. This is lovely texture. You don't need to add anything to it. You can straight away apply it to your scalp. I did that for myself yesterday and I really felt it was amazing, because I generally have a little dry hair, and when I use these, they completely keep the balance in my skin and hair, and it's 100% natural. So what more do we want? So there you go, you have your packs ready.